Who would want to wake Sally up this early? Mailmen can be so rude. That's weird. A letter? Does anyone still use snail mail? Texting is way easier. Well, well. What do we have here? See you soon, Grandma. One grandmother is bad already, but two grandmothers at once is a disaster. Oh no! I need to clean up. I wonder how long it will take to get rid of all this junk. Not long at all. If you don't take out the trash, but just hide it. It's a classic life hack. Here's the first grandmother, Sophie. She's beautiful. You can see she's very financially comfortable. Grandma Skylar, on the other hand, has some money problems. But don't sweat the small stuff. They can't wait to hug their favorite granddaughter. This house ain't big enough for two grandmothers. This is going to be a weird weekend. But who knows? Maybe the grandmas will become friends? Grandma Skylar can work miracles. She makes culinary masterpieces out of literally nothing. Just a couple of hours in the kitchen, and dinner for her granddaughter is ready. Woohoo! Grandma,
wow.
This is delicious. Eat that up. It's good for you. But Grandma Sophie won't let this slide. Fast food is not healthy. The rich grandma can afford a personal chef, a couple of bills, and lunch will be ready soon. And it's not just burgers and sushi. It's a real work of art. Dinner is served. Time to eat it. It smells delicious. But can you eat gold? It looks too hard. But Grandma Sophie knows exactly how to make her granddaughter happy. This burger needs something green. No, Sally won't eat paper. It turns out that Grandma Skylar is a real fashionista. She knows her way around a yard sale. There's treasure in these stacks of clothes. And some things are so good that you have to fight for them. Grandma Skylar is the champion of garage fights. Woohoo! Sweetie, look how great it looks on you. Take it all. What a good shopping trip. And it's time for a DIY fashion show to show off the new clothes. This outfit has seen better days. But Grandma Skylar is so happy. The rich grandmother isn't pleased at all. Maybe this outfit doesn't have enough accessories? No gold. It's too shiny. These beads will be nice. They are so modern. Sally is a real fighter. She struggles as hard as she can, but it doesn't bother Grandma. Okay, enough. Stop bullying her. Sally, let's go get some real clothes. That's a great idea. Maybe I can work with some of this. Everything at this fashion boutique is so fancy. And there are so many beautiful outfits, you don't know where to look. And Grandma Sophie is so generous. She spares no expense for her granddaughter. She can even afford this dress from the latest fashion collection. Wow! I wish I could go shopping like this every day. It's time to show Grandma Skylar what fashion really is. But for some reason, she doesn't like it. So much glitter. It's blinding me. Kids these days. Grandma Sophie doesn't usually do the cleaning, but she has to help Sally with her chores. I've heard that laundry isn't hard at all. But I don't know how to turn this machine on. Let's start with the simplest thing. Loading dirty clothes into the machine. Oh, getting old is hard. I forgot something. I still have dishes to do. Let's close this. And I think I have to pay the machine to make it work. I think I did it! Grandma Sophie is so proud of herself. Grandma Skylar, on the other hand, is great at doing housework. She can't afford maids, so she does everything herself. Oh, poor Sally! These jeans are totally ripped. That's not okay. Grandma Skylar takes everything into her hands. She'll have every hole in the jeans patched in a few minutes. But Sally won't thank her for that. Those were her favorite jeans. Everything was going great, but tragedy struck. A pimple! It's huge and it hurts! Don't panic, baby. Grandma knows what to do. A cucumber always helps. Grandma Skylar knows so many beauty hacks. Are you sure it'll help? But Grandma Sophie is convinced that you should eat cucumbers, not put them on your zits. Let's go to the beauty salon instead. Grandma Skylar's freaking out. She couldn't keep her beloved granddaughter safe. But the beauty salon will definitely be able to deal with a pimple, especially for this much money. What's the point of all these complicated procedures anyway, if you can just use a foundation? Perfect! The pimple is not visible, so the problem is solved. But that's not enough for Grandma Sophie. She has her own beauty secret. Yes, put gold on the pimple. That's better. It's healthy and beautiful. What a good spa day! The grandmothers can't stop fighting. Things are getting tense. Sparks are flying. I have to do something about it. Hey, I have a surprise for you. Look at this. A grandma competition. Sounds promising. Are you sure this is a good idea? But the grandmothers love it. Now they are going to show which one of them is the strongest and the bravest. The nice old ladies are way tougher than they look. The first contest is throwing the ball into the hoop. Grandma Skylar doesn't stand a chance because her rival has a helper. He's tall, young, and strong. He will lead Grandma Sophie to victory. Yay! It worked! And now running. This is going to be way harder, but not for Grandma Sophie. A personal trainer will take her to the finish line, and Grandma Skylar can stay behind. But she is so proud that she doesn't need any help. And then there's strength training. And that's where Grandma Skylar will show everyone what she can do. When she was young, she could stop a horse mid-gallop, but she's older now. She has to take a break and then keep going. Grandma Sophie has assistants here too. Now this is serious. The next round of the Granny Challenge is a boxing match. Still, their coordination isn't what it used to be. The grannies can't even control their own hands, not to mention their competition. These old ladies are getting lost. Stop! That's enough! Oh, this isn't what Sally wanted at all when she invited her grandmothers to the competition. We need to help them make up right now. Grannies, you both win. You're going to the Maldives. What a sweet moment. If the grannies are happy, so is Sally. The grandmothers are going on their first vacation together in 20 years. And they are going to have a blast. It's a good thing money's not an issue. Grandma Sophie could buy half the island. Where's the nearest nightclub? Did you like our new video? Which grandmother would you like to spend the weekend with? Sophie or Skylar? Or is your own grandmother the best? Let us know in the comments. And be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell. Don't miss any new grandma sketches on Troom. Wow!